From the award-winning CIGA design team, this is the X Series men's automatic wristwatch, doubling as a smartwatch in its innovative design and use of SUV-style springs for shock absorbers within the body of the watch itself. In addition, it's got crystal glass on the front and back, and it's hardened so that you have 3 atmosphere, about 30 meters worth of swimming resistance to it. Really, really amazing watch. If that isn't enough, you also have hands on some of these models that glow in the dark, so you can see it easily at night. It's a really exquisite design, comes in a variety of styles and colors. You've got silver, gold, the flare orange like this, purple. You got to see it to believe it. It's called the CIGA Design Men's Automatic Watch X Series. Check it out.